This is Brittany with WTI, and perfect slouchy beanie? Yes, I have found it for you. Okay, like legit though, this is the best beanie. It is the most perfect slouchy beanie, perfect fit. It's nice and oversized while still fitting your head. So it doesn't ever feel like it's gonna fall off, but it still fits comfortably. Never irritates my forehead when I have it pulled down low. It doesn't get itchy. It's the perfect amount of warmth as well because it is like double lined, so it's warm enough, but it doesn't have a thick lining, so at the same time it's not too hot and I don't overheat with it on. Absolutely adore it. You can wear it at least 3 different ways. I can do it slouchy, I can fold up the bottom and pull it down further on my head, or I can pull it a little bit further back on my head to begin with and maybe have a little bang action in the front. So many options, so versatile. And surprisingly, this red one is almost a neutral because it's the most perfect shade of red that it adds such a great pop to almost any color outfit. And I find myself wearing it way more frequently than I anticipated. So I adore this beanie. I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it. And that's my point of view.